Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayo iWTV sithi bafowethu kwakumnandi ukuhlangana kubuhlungu ukuhlukana sithi hayikhona okungayenzeki ebantwini kuyenzeka Professor CM Lukhuleni bafowethu sorry Bush Bakridge sorry ni bantu bakuphi but hayi sengise central eWoodbank yeah sengise central eWoodbank only ngama Saturday kuphela but ngicela ukusebenza ngo2 o'clock Witbank ngicala la esigodlweni ngicala ngoba ukuthwala ama boys awekho le yi-office ngicala la esigodlweni nginikeza abantu izinto ezijulile bese ngiyale ngiyonaka abantu abagulayo ngibanikeza izimbiza ngibagezela inhlanhla ngibathwese yonke into ngokusho njalo ngisho ukuthi mawubona le ndoda ubona mina sisese nje until death do us apart sashada noma sengishadile bracket it doesn't mean ukuthi mina kuwe sengikhohliwe angisho ukuthi ngimtsimage phela ngoba umuntu
ngicela ngomaskep
ozobuyathi hey no asisinjalo siphelela bafowethu noma sengishadile bhuti wami ngisesenjalo ngeke ngikujikele ngithi hey mina ngoba wena all right sharp love you don't forget to subscribe valelisa bracket
okay sesiyavala before we leave it prof just kancane ne in a case yomunye ubhuti who's a police person and then he wants to know if he can get something for ilento yokuthi he can pick up izinto like for example mama stopping motor he can pick up kunama trucks or he can pick up ukuthi something is wrong with the car mhlambe kune ammunition and like that just to heighten his senses and then futhi nalento ukuthi he's worried ukuthi mhlambe wafuna umkhawata and something like that can he pick up on that things like that so the way my response was there are different things that you can use to heighten your senses especially isn't that you use like amabandi whatever because they but in as far as you being able to detect contraband or into as illegal angazi ngizokubuzela so I want to know is there something that you can give from security policemen abantu that work with the abantu basemabode whatever people that have to detect izinto or by use ukuhlakanipha to pick up ukuthi something is wrong
yes bracket
without using his spoke.
No bracket if you remember ngizothi ngicika kancane eborder bakhona abantu engibasizile aba maphoyisa uyabona kunento ukuthi angeke uyicabangele ukuthi kunani but lo mangikuphe yona lento leyo nayi you understand ukhona ukusense ukuthi lo sesiloyo lo unama drugs khona ukusense ukuthi lo bhuti loya uhamba lapha uphethe ama drugs and then bese net kunokusesha kunokubona into so lo muntu loyo akaseshi wenzani uvela athi ngicela uvule le file net ma art yes thola ikhona into enjalo and also nokumprotect because the more you get things the more the enemy will come and you know ukuthi mangabe uliphoyise ngathi lisile abadlali abafana bayashesha bakuhambisa fast so ukuze ukhona ukukhula ube nani buya nje bracket B abantu abanjalo asize sibahluphe nje azaphethe 7,000 deposit enye uzoyiletha i7
akunasipoko ngapha because this
akunasipoko no ngingasipoko lapho ngomakha afane nami phela mina izipoko nginazo zokupha abantu akusiyo ezami
okay. All right, okay, Uzwele, there's something for you, like, if you want wood to be taller, you have to come here, 7 stacks, and then the rest Uzwe. But, Prof, thanks for inviting me. And lastly, guys, I don't know how to overemphasize Lentole 063 ISA 7. You know, another scammer yesterday, 20,000. Prof, I forget him 20,000. He sends me the bank statement. It's of Mrs. Sitolo or something like that. Professor Lukhuleni and Mrs. Tolo is not the same person. Our professor said he's got a problem with the bank account and 99. So, guys, please, 063 is a scam. As a belief. I don't know how many times he's Kulumalento, but please, if you are unsure, you can even call me on my number. I will verify. If Prof is not available, I will verify. Siabo.
Henda